11 life-saving gadgets you need for 2025. As we step into 2025, survival gear continues to evolve with cutting-edge technology, providing us with tools that not only enhance our outdoor adventures, but can also save lives in critical situations. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes, facing emergencies, or just preparing for unforeseen events, having the right gadgets can make all the difference. These life-saving devices represent the most advanced survival technology available today, ensuring that you stay safe, connected, and prepared for anything that comes your way. From communication and navigation to self-defense and emergency medical supplies, these gadgets are your best defense against the unexpected. Let's dive into these essential tools that could save your life in 2025. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. In an increasingly connected world, the Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator is a game-changer for anyone venturing into remote locations. This compact, lightweight device allows you to stay connected to loved ones or emergency services, even when you're far from cell towers. Using satellite communication, the InReach Mini 2 enables two-way texting, location sharing, and access to an interactive map. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness, embarking on a long backpacking trip, or facing an emergency, the ability to send and receive messages in areas without cellular coverage is invaluable. Taser Pulse Plus Self-Defense Weapon. When it comes to personal safety, the Taser Pulse Plus Self-Defense Weapon offers an effective and non-lethal option for protection. This small, lightweight device allows you to incapacitate an attacker from a distance of up to 15 feet, delivering a powerful electrical charge that temporarily disrupts the target's neuromuscular system. What makes the Pulse Plus particularly impressive is its ability to connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, enabling you to share your location and activate emergency response alerts in case of danger. It also comes with a bright flashlight, making it easy to disorient potential threats and give you time to escape. Goal Zero Yeti 1000X Portable Power Station. The Goal Zero Yeti 1000X Portable Power Station is a must-have for anyone who values off-grid living or needs reliable power during emergencies. This portable power station packs a serious punch, offering 1,000 watt-hours of power and a variety of output ports, including AC, USB, and DC, making it suitable for charging everything from smartphones to laptops, and even small appliances. Its lithium-ion battery is both efficient and long-lasting, and it can be recharged through solar panels, wall outlets, or car chargers. Runt Tactical Stun Gun. The Runt Tactical Stun Gun is a powerful self-defense weapon that is as practical as it is effective. Despite its compact, pocket-sized design, this stun gun delivers a powerful shock capable of temporarily disabling an attacker, giving you time to escape or seek help. With its ergonomic grip and high-voltage output, the Runt Tactical Stun Gun is designed for both ease of use and maximum effectiveness, making it a reliable tool for personal security. Its small size makes it easy to carry discreetly, while the built-in LED flashlight helps illuminate your path in the dark or disorient potential threats. Olight Warrior X Pro Flashlight. The Olight Warrior X Pro Flashlight is one of the brightest and most reliable flashlights on the market today, offering an impressive 2,250 lumens of light output. It's more than capable of illuminating even the darkest environments. The Warrior X Pro features a range of beam settings, from a wide floodlight to a focused long-distance beam that can reach over 500 meters, making it ideal for search and rescue operations, camping, or emergencies. Its rugged military-grade aluminum body is designed to withstand extreme conditions, and it's waterproof and shock-resistant. Firestarter Ferro Rod Kit. When it comes to survival, being able to start a fire in any condition is one of the most essential skills. The Firestarter Ferro Rod Kit makes it easier than ever to create a fire, even in wet or windy conditions. The kit includes a high-quality ferrocerium rod, which, when scraped with the included striker, produces a hot, reliable spark capable of igniting tinder. It's designed to be used in all weather conditions, and the rod can provide thousands of strikes, making it an incredibly durable and long-lasting fire-starting tool. Solar-powered first aid kit. In an emergency, having a well-stocked first aid kit is crucial, and the solar-powered first aid kit takes it a step further by integrating renewable energy to ensure you never run out of power for essential medical devices. This kit comes with a comprehensive selection of bandages, antiseptics, medications, and tools for treating injuries and illnesses in the field. The addition of a small solar panel allows you to charge medical devices like flashlights, radios, or even portable phones, making it an excellent solution for off-grid situations or long outdoor expeditions. Compact and portable, this first aid kit ensures you're always ready to handle medical emergencies in the wild, while the solar-powered charging capability makes it an eco-friendly choice for those who want to stay self-sufficient during extended trips. Climastatic V2 Sleeping Pad. Comfort and warmth are essential when it comes to outdoor sleeping gear, and the Climastatic V2 Sleeping Pad delivers on both fronts. This ultralight, inflatable sleeping pad is designed to provide superior insulation from the cold ground, while offering a comfortable cushioned surface to sleep on. The V2's advanced design incorporates Climate's signature body-mapped technology, which helps distribute your weight evenly across the pad, enhancing comfort and support. It's incredibly easy to inflate and deflate, and when packed down, it fits into the smallest of spaces, making it ideal for backpackers and minimalist campers. Sunfa 9 Barrow GPS Watch. The Sunfa 9 Barrow GPS Watch is a high-performance smartwatch designed specifically for adventurers, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable navigation and tracking in extreme conditions. With a built-in barometer, GPS, and heart rate monitor, this watch provides real-time data on your altitude, location, and physical condition, making it a vital tool for hikers, climbers, and endurance athletes. Its ultra-long battery life ensures that it will last for up to 120 hours in GPS mode, so you can rely on it for even the longest treks. The watch is also water-resistant and built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring that it can endure through rain, snow, or rough terrain. Meprolite True Dot Night Sights. For those who rely on firearms for self-defense, the Meprolite True Dot Night Sights are an essential upgrade. These high-quality night sights provide a clear, bright aiming point even in low-light conditions, ensuring that you can accurately aim and fire in any situation. The True Dot system uses tritium gas to illuminate the sights, providing a glowing effect that lasts for years without the need for batteries or external light sources. This makes the sights highly reliable in all lighting conditions, from daylight to complete darkness. Durable and easy to install, Meprolite True Dot Night Sights enhance your ability to defend yourself when visibility is compromised, giving you the confidence that you can rely on your firearm in any scenario. SpotX Satellite Messenger. The SpotX Satellite Messenger is an essential communication tool for anyone venturing off the beaten path. This rugged, compact device allows you to send and receive text messages from virtually anywhere, even in the most remote locations where traditional cell service doesn't reach. The SpotX also features an SOS function that sends your GPS location to emergency responders in case of an urgent situation. It's designed to be used in challenging environments, with a durable, waterproof body that can withstand the harshest conditions. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes, traveling in areas with no cell service, or simply want to stay in touch with loved ones during an adventure, the SpotX Satellite Messenger ensures that you stay connected and safe. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.